China's Shenzhen is promoting the construction of an international mangrove center as part of the country's efforts in wetlands conservation for high-quality development.
未来以红树林博物馆为依托，建立国际红树林中心。那我们在这个新起点上立足本地，面向全球，讲好深圳故事，中国故事。
As a blue carbon sink, mangroves are important for carbon sequestration.
Blue carbon refers to the carbon that is stored above ground and below ground in vegetated coastal wetland, such as salt marshes, mangroves, and seagrass, that are very particular because they are at the edge between land and ocean. We are able to increase the sequestration of those CO2 emissions through the mangrove ecosystem. Shenzhen Blue Carbon Accounting System is useful for assigning an economic value. This unique accounting system will define where we need to prioritize first, how much the restoration will cost, and what are the return on investment benefits that we get out of those restoration. The primary return on investment is how much carbon we can store. Other secondary benefits can be the fishery. So one thing that can be possible to do in the future is to restore also the fishery. It is also sustainable, nature-friendly, and it helps into the restoration of the mangrove community.
China's mangrove forest coverage has increased from 22,000 hectares in 2001 to 29,200 hectares today. To safeguard ecological security, China has implemented ecological protection red lines nationwide to identify crucial ecological zones and enforce strict protection.